Have you ever wondered about the potential health benefits of dandelion root, sarsaparilla, beetroot, turmeric, and black pepper? Well, you're in for a treat. Let's take a quick tour through the world of these 5 natural ingredients, each with their unique properties. Starting with dandelion root, a powerhouse of inulin, a type of soluble fiber, and home to potent antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenols. Traditionally, sarsaparilla has been used for purifying the blood and is known to contain plant sterols that may influence cholesterol levels. Next, we have beetroot, rich in nitrates that our bodies convert into nitric oxide, helping with blood flow. Turmeric, a golden spice, houses curcumin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Lastly, black pepper, it's not just a seasoning. It contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric. Now that we have a basic understanding of these ingredients, let's delve deeper into what makes them so beneficial. First up, we have dandelion root and sarsaparilla. These 2 roots, each with their own unique set of benefits, have been traditionally used for health and wellness for centuries. Let's delve a bit deeper into why they're so revered. Starting with dandelion root, it's a powerhouse of inulin, a type of soluble fiber that supports healthy gut bacteria. This root also comes packed with antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenols, known for their role in combating harmful free radicals. Interestingly, dandelion root contains compounds like chicoraic and chlorogenic acid, which may help in managing blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect of overall blood health. On the other hand, we have sarsaparilla, a root traditionally known for its purifying properties. Throughout history, it's been used to cleanse the blood and improve overall vitality. What makes sarsaparilla particularly interesting are plant sterols it contains. These compounds may have a beneficial effect on cholesterol levels, contributing to the maintenance of healthy blood lipid profiles. It's fascinating how these roots, steeped in traditional usage, are now being understood through the lens of modern science. The antioxidant properties, potential for blood sugar regulation, and traditional usage in blood purification make these roots a compelling duo in natural health circles. These roots have been used for centuries, and modern science is beginning to understand why. But remember, it's always essential to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating these or any new ingredients into your health regimen. Next, we have beetroot, turmeric, and black pepper. Beetroot, the vibrant, earthy vegetable, is high in nitrates. These nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in our bodies, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow. Beetroot also contains betaine, which may help reduce homocysteine levels in the blood, a risk factor associated with cardiovascular disease. Moving on to turmeric, the golden spice that's been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its active compound, curcumin, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin may also improve endothelial function, which plays a crucial role in blood pressure regulation. But what's turmeric without black pepper? Black pepper contains piperine, a compound that enhances the absorption of curcumin from turmeric, making it more effective. Just a pinch of black pepper can significantly boost the bioavailability of turmeric in our bodies. Plus, black pepper itself may possess antioxidant properties. So, when you blend beetroot, turmeric, and black pepper, you're not just adding flavor to your dishes, but potentially benefiting from their health-boosting properties. However, it's important to note that while these ingredients have potential health benefits, they should not be used as a substitute for medical advice or treatment. Remember, the key to health is not just one superfood, but a balanced diet and lifestyle. These common kitchen ingredients pack a powerful health punch, so why not give them a try? But what happens when these 5 ingredients are combined? That's when we witness the beauty of nature's synergy. Each ingredient individually brings a wealth of health-supporting properties, but when combined, they may work together to enhance each other's benefits. Let's take a closer look at this potential synergistic effect. Among these ingredients, black pepper holds a special role. It contains a compound called piperine. Piperine is known to significantly enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound, but on its own, our bodies have a hard time absorbing it. That's where black pepper comes in. Piperine can increase curcumin's bioavailability by up to 2,000%. This is just one example of how these ingredients can potentially work together. When we harness these natural compounds in the right way, they can offer us a myriad of health benefits. It's a perfect example of nature's synergy at work. So we've discussed the potential health benefits of dandelion root, sarsaparilla, beetroot, turmeric, and black pepper. These 5 natural ingredients, each with their unique nutritional properties and compounds, may play a part in supporting our blood health. We've learned that dandelion root is rich in inulin, a type of soluble fiber that promotes a healthy gut. It also contains potent antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenols, which may help fight inflammation. Chicoraic and chlorogenic acid in dandelion may even help decrease blood sugar levels. Sarsaparilla, on the other hand, has been traditionally used to purify the blood. It contains plant sterols that might have a beneficial effect on our cholesterol levels. Beetroot is high in nitrates, which our body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow. It also contains betaine, which may help reduce homocysteine levels in the blood associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It may improve endothelial function, which is important for blood pressure regulation. Lastly, black pepper contains piperine, which can enhance the absorption of curcumin from turmeric. It may also have antioxidant properties. We also discussed a creative way to incorporate these ingredients into our diet with a detoxifying herbal tea blend. This tea not only combines the earthy flavors of the roots with the spicy kick of turmeric and black pepper, but it also adds a natural sweetness and vibrant color from the beetroot, making it visually appealing. However, while these ingredients have potential health benefits, they should not be considered a cure for blood-related conditions. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. This is especially important if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Safety and evidence-based practices should always be prioritized when considering natural remedies. Remember, while these ingredients have potential health benefits, they are not a cure-all. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice.